Everyone. I am Darlene A. Quintos from Grade 6 Abraham. Today is a very special moment for all of us. It marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another for each one of us. Standing before you, I am filled with joy and appreciation for the journey that has led us to this milestone. I want to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to those who have shaped and guided me along the way. Almighty God, Adonai School, admin staffs, teachers. I want to thank my mom, Jenny Ancheta, and my dad, Darwin Quintos, because without them, today could have not been possible. I am so blessed to have had their encouragement and love through this journey. Your sacrifices, patience, and unconditional love have been the foundation of my success. This achievement is not mine alone. It is a testament of your unwavering belief in me. To my teachers, who have been my guiding light, I extend my heartfelt appreciation. Ma'am Grace, Ma'am V, Ma'am Tina, Ma'am Jo, Ma'am Len, Ma'am Gurley, and all the educators who have imparted their wisdom. Thank you for shaping not just our minds but also our character. You have not only taught us lessons from books, but also important lessons about life. Your dedication to shaping young minds is something we will always be grateful for. To our beloved alma mater, Adonai School of the Kingdom of Elohim, our home of learning, thank you for being the place where we grew, discovered, and built lifelong memories. The school environment gave us a place to grow, learn, and discover our passions. This is the foundation of our dreams. We will always carry lessons and values with us through life. To our respected principal, Dr. Teresita V. Antonio, we sincerely thank you for your unwavering leadership and dedication. Your commitment to excellence has shaped our school into a place where students can grow, learn, and prepare for the future. Through your guidance, we have not only gained knowledge, but also the values of hard work, perseverance, and integrity. Praise Almighty God. To my classmates and friends, we have shared so many memories, both good and challenging. We have laughed together, struggled through lessons together, and supported each other in every way. As we move forward to different paths, let us never forget the friendship we built and the experiences that shaped us. A special message to our advisor, Sir Vince A. Aguilar. Sir, thank you for your patience, support, and confidence in us. You have been more than a teacher. You have been a second parent and a mentor. Your kindness and dedication had a great impact on our lives, and for that, we are forever grateful. Above all, our Almighty God, our source of strength and wisdom. Through every challenge and success, His presence has guided us, reminding us that with faith, nothing is impossible. Lastly, to myself, this journey was not easy, but I made it. Through perseverance, hard work, and determination, and the support of the people around me, I made it. Today is not the end, but the beginning of a new adventure, and I am ready to take on whatever comes next. As we close this chapter and move forward, let us remember that this is just the beginning. Let us continue to dream, to strive, and make a difference. Congratulations, Batch Maaasahan. Thank you, and may God bless us all.